QQ Sentai GoGoV5's, should I say weapon? Yeah, I think it is. And Takino Henke Life Bird. It's a boxed items and it's used items. I would say pre-owned items. Okay. And so let's take a look at the box first. Okay. So well, this is how the boxes look like. Okay. And on the edge, you can see that small, bumps there, of course. And most of all, here, nicely taped. Okay. Now, I guess previous owner wants to just hide something here. Of course, the box was damaged here, and he taped it. Right? Well, somehow it's black tape. Okay. And on the other side here too, and I guess that previous owner was very excited to open the toy and accidentally crushed it. I mean, lit that. Okay. So just to remember that this box is damaged. But however, the inside is very nice and clean, and so I'd like to just sell these items as boxed items. Okay, so live bird. All right. So what is the live bird? And there are some 5 different forms. Okay, there are 5 tools. So to save the people. Okay, so it's not really the weapons. GoGoV5. GoGoV5. And this is that. Okay, so Kuro Anchor is the first one. Okay, and build discharger. Oh, it's a gun mode. Huh? Wing spreader. It's like a cutter or something. Okay, and beak driller. All right. Tail injector. Tail injector. Oh, so this is the for the people to save their lives. Injector, medical use. Interesting. So you can combine everything into the breaker mode, and also a breaker mode Henke Life Bird. That's a great idea. So this is a live bird itself is the bird, and so it's a fry itself. So fly to the wherever that the GoGoV5 is, and then they use these machines to rescue the people with these machines. I mean, these different styles. Interesting, clever. All right, so let's open the items from the 1999. Look at that! I can smell that the air of the 1999. All right, that's beautiful. Nice. And it comes with the instruction. Okay. It's colored. Wow. Look at that, has a color. Okay. Well, and also I can see that, previous owner accidentally put that some coffee cup or, juice cup or something here. Okay. Whoops. Okay. So, well, it happens. I totally understand that. But I want you to know this is the, pre-owned toys, and we are selling as they are. All right. So let's bring the everything. And so let's try, first of all, Kuro Anchor. Okay. Kuro Anchor, this one. Oh, なるほどね. Okay, so Kuro Anchor. Look at that, the sticker is intact. It's great conditions. Oh, 開いた, extended. Oh, なるほど. Okay, so you can just actually extend these, like this. Okay. Right joint and crow, and you just pull this one here. Koka. And bring that laser grip is this one here. Oh, okay. これがレーザーグリップですか? Okay, so laser grip will join here. これこうあこうだね. Right. Okay. So just itself, and then open it. Lock する. Okay. あ、これで rock. Okay, it's rock now. Right. Kuro Anchor. All right. And so you can just press the button here and the crow will pop up. Okay, that's what it does. Okay. トリガーを引くとサウンドが鳴ります。別振りの5レーザーについているレーザーグリップを作るトリガー。Okay, so this item itself does not require any batteries or there's no sound. Okay, but however, if there's a 5 razor sold separately, you can combine them and then you can just combine these with weapons and you can make the sounds with the 5 razor, which is sold separately. Okay, that's cool. Okay. And this is the crow anchor. Now let's try that. The next one. How about build discharger? Build discharger. Okay, I'll unlock this and put it back. Okay, build discharger. How do we do that? Okay, so this one here. Wow. So build discharger and use this razor grip again. こうか。And turn. こっちか。こうだね。Now, okay, so it has all the stickers here. All the stickers is just nicely applied. And once again, if you use the 5 razor and the laser grip, you can use the laser grip. This part, it has the more sound, and so you can just make the sounds. So this is just but the I would say fake one. I don't say fake one, but it does not have any battery powered, any lights, no trigger at all, nothing. It's just a mold. Okay, but you can get that in somewhere, another one. Okay. So this is the build discharger, and next wing spreader. Okay, wing spreader here. This one again, and Koka. All right. All right. And you can just open it. Oh, okay. Wow, it's a big scissors. Okay. All right, so take a look at the stickers. It's nicely applied. It's beautiful. This one is the the reflections here. Okay. All right, and then turn back. All right, so that was the wing spreader. And how about the beak driller? Still use these items. And there's a grip, and driller is here. Oh, I can see that all the drills can turn, but no electricity whatsoever. Okay, so I will just slide it in. No. How do we do this? Oh, I have to just turn first, and then turn. Okay. So beak driller. All right. Okay, so it displays that the drill will turn. Interesting. All right, so that was a big driller and tail injector. Tail injector, one of the medical use one. Okay, so how do I do this? And just slide it in here, this way. Oh, oh, ちょっと逆じゃん。こっちだね。Okay, so こっちになるんでしょ。こうか。あれ？前からつけるのか。あ、前か。いや違うな。こうしてつけて入らないな、こっちだと。こうだね。こうだね。で、これが上？あれ？あ、これ逆になるのか。あ、なるほど。I got it. It's upside down. So this will go up from the top. This is an injector. So actually it shows that how much you left, you know, that chemicals, whatever, just the medicine is inside, and you inject it like this. Ouch. Okay, so that's a very good idea. I mean, you don't see much of the toy for the. I mean, it's still the toy, medical use. It's really to save the people. You know, we always find that weapons to, you know, kill, but this is for the medical instrument to save. I like that. Okay, so that is a tail injector one, and so let's try that live bird finally. Here we go. And so where do we start? Okay, so this one will go this way and attach that the head parts, beak driller, and needs to insert like this. Okay, now you can tell that this is the, you know, the bird head. Okay, all right, and then more. Okay, so the let's go for crow anchor will be the leg. Okay, so this is the here. ここだね. Whoa. Okay. All right. I got the idea now. And then we have wing spreader. This is the front. Okay, so wing spreader goes in here. Oh, いいね. And tail injector will go. Oh, okay. So we need to just. Okay, let me just put that the styrofoam here. And needs to separate it. And this capsule will go the back. こうか? No. あ、これでいいのか? It doesn't matter, I guess. Okay. All right. So this is connected now, and then the tail injector will go on the top of this. Okay. Like this. Lifebird. Oh, できた. Okay. So this is a Lifebird airplane mode. Oh, I like that. Looks cool. Okay. And then Lifebird can say, and this is for landing mode, I guess. こうか? All right. Take a look at this. Okay. To see that the whole view, and let me just turn him on the table and watch. All right, so the live bird, and how's that? Looks very nice, actually. And the condition is good, and I like that. And so lastly, to conclude that this demonstration, and we have the one more mode that actually calamity breaker. Okay, so the breaker mode, I guess this works as the he sets attack mode. And let's create that. Okay, how do I do this? And take that, the capsules and beak driller. Okay, everything. Okay, grow anchor. Wing spreader. All right, so wing spreader goes here, and build discharger, and this will go this way. Okay. All right, and this will go like this, and crow anchor will comes from the top, right? So crow anchor. Okay. All right, and comes from the top like this. Oh, なるほど。そして tail injector. Okay, tail injector is coming here. こうですか？こっちか？こうだね。All right, tail injector is here. And the capsule one is going to be here. Okay, and beak driller comes from the very end. All right, and where's the grip? Okay, the grip. The laser grip and comes on the tail and turn. Oh, できた. So this is kind of big. Wow. Okay, so let me just show you the what it looked like. It goes like this. That's pretty big, isn't it? I like that. That's a huge weapon. It's called, what is the name again? It's a name called the Calamity Breaker. Calamity Breaker, and there's no sound with this set. But however, you know, there's a 5 razor sold separately, and you can just, you know, combine it, and with that, you know, those 5 razor, you can create a sound. I mean, you can activate the sound. So the laser, this, what do you call that? Laser grip. The laser grip, this part is the fake. You know, doesn't, you know, with this set, this one is the fake, and there's no sound or battery case, no whatever whatsoever. Okay, just about the mode. But maybe we can look for that on this, you know, the 5 laser, maybe in the future. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Okay, I really like that. And one of the reason because I purchased these items is that I thought that, you know, something reminds me this part. Okay, but we will talk about this one here. You know, currently that we are, you know, the Lupin Ranger versus Pat Ranger is on the air, and we know that the Lupin correction. I remember that one of the Lupin correction, I saw that this part. I think I saw that this one here. Okay, so I'm kind of interested in, you know, gathering the Lupin correction item. So maybe this one will help. I don't know. I mean, I wasn't sure. So I'm kind of interested in start collecting that, you know, the Lupin collection, the items that are based on Super Sentai Toys, the Lupin collections. Okay, and so kind of interesting that and how far we can go. Okay, but anyway, so this part is kind of interesting. Okay. So, well, anyway, this item is going sales from tomorrow, Sunday activations, and I hope you're going to enjoy these items, okay? It's really nice. Doesn't make any sound or anything like that, but for the display, if you like the GoGoV 5, you got to have this one, okay? I like that, especially this injector. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. And we will continue that our shows more after this too. And after that, let me just take about the 10 minutes break so I can grab my coffee. My mouth is pretty dry, and so I'll come back. And so thank you very much. And so we will start our live shows again, demonstrations after the 10 minutes. Okay, so thank you, and I'll come back.